Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Personio HR software. Personio HR software is a cloud-based HR management system designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It aims to streamline HR processes, from recruiting and onboarding to performance management and payroll. Key features include applicant tracking, employee self-service portals, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on all their offerings. Personio positions itself as an intuitive and user-friendly alternative to more complex HR systems. They emphasize ease of use and a streamlined interface. Their website highlights transparent pricing, although specific details require a consultation. They don't mention any specific technology beyond cloud-based infrastructure. Availability is global, though specific regional offerings may vary. Best to check their website for your location. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Personio. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well guided, and I was able to input all employee data relatively quickly. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear visual representation of employee data on the dashboard. For example, easily seeing upcoming performance reviews or tracking vacation time was a breeze. Performance was excellent. The system was consistently responsive and reliable throughout my usage. I had a quick question about integrating with our payroll software, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. Very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated workflow for onboarding new hires. It saved me so much time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick access on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced reporting features, but once I understood the system, it became very powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Personio. It's a solid HR software solution that significantly improved our efficiency. That's my overview of Personio HR software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.